Thinking about buying a new construction home? Don't sign anything until you watch this video. New construction sounds simple, brand new house, no previous owner, no mystery problems. But don't confuse new with problem-free. There are some very specific mistakes buyers make when buying a new build, and they can cost you thousands of dollars. Let's walk through them. Mistake number 1, not having your own representation. When you walk into a model home, the sales rep is friendly, helpful, and knowledgeable, but they represent the builder. Their job is to protect the builder's interests, not yours. You want someone in your corner who understands new construction contracts, timelines, upgrades, appraisal risks, lender comparisons, someone who knows what to ask. And in most cases, the builder pays your agent's commission, not you. So there's no reason to go in alone. Mistake number 2, not reading the contract carefully. I get it. You're excited. You picked your lot. You love the floor plan. You are imagining your furniture in the new space. But slow down. Ask questions. Can the builder raise the price during construction? What happens if materials increase? What if there's a delay? Can they cancel the contract? What if the appraisal comes in low? And don't just accept verbal answers. Ask them to show you where it says in that contract. Delays are common. 6 to 8 months can turn into 10 months easily, sometimes longer. Plan for flexibility. Don't time your lease or sell down to exact week they estimate. Hope for smooth transition. Plan for reality. Mistake number 3, fall in love with the model home. That model home you toured, it likely has 30 to 50% in upgrades. The advertised price is usually the base model, smallest floor plan, standard finishes. It may not include lot premium, structural upgrades, quartz counters, upgraded cabinets, backyard finishes, etc. Ask very clearly what is a standard and what is upgraded. Do not assume. Mistake number 4, overspending at the design center. The design center is fun. It's always where budgets go to explode. It's very easy to add 50 to 100 grand in upgrades in one appointment. Some upgrades make sense to do during construction, such as structural changes, extra windows, higher ceilings, but cosmetic items like backsplashes, accent walls, certain lighting, etc. You may be able to do those after closing for significantly less. Be strategic, not emotional. Mistake number 5, automatically using the builder's lender. Builders offer incentives, closing cost credits, rate buy-downs, design credits, but usually you have to use their preferred lender. That doesn't automatically mean it's the best deal. Compare interest rate, closing costs, monthly payment, long-term cost. Sometimes the builder's lender wins. Sometimes an outside lender is a better option, and you can use that code to negotiate. Let lenders compete. Mistake number 6, skipping inspections because it's brand new. New does not mean flawless. I strongly recommend a third-party inspection. If possible, even a frame inspection before drywall goes up. Once the walls are closed, you can't see what's behind them. Builders build hundreds of homes, and your home is just one of many. Another set of professional eyes protects you. Mistake number 7, not staying involved during construction. If the builder allows it, walk your home during the construction period. You don't need to micromanage anyone, but be present. If you see something concerning, address it early. Buyers who stay engaged tend to have a smoother experiences. Be respectful, be proactive. Mistake number 8, misunderstanding equity timing. Buying early in a new phase can create equity. Builders often increase base prices with each release. If you bought early and the price rises during construction, you may gain equity before you close. But remember, you may also be living in a construction zone for a while. There's always a trade-off. And finally, understand the warranty. Most builders offer a 1-year workmanship warranty, and after that, coverage becomes limited. Know what's covered and what isn't. New construction can be a great opportunity. No bidding wars, modern layout, customization, potential early equity. But is not hands-off. It requires attention, strategy, and smart decisions. Ask questions, read the contract, compare lenders, inspect the home, and don't assume the model home price is your final price. If you're thinking about buying new construction home and want guidance through the process, I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.